Well, guys and girls, here we are with a beautiful 1998 Carrera Targa, finished in stunning guards red with black leather. Very common for the period, for sure. We just finished the engine, and these are the opening laps on it, which is kind of pretty good. We've had it running in the shop for a while, and we break them in nice. 4,000 RPM. We did a full top end on it, all new rings, new valve guides, reconditioned the heads, all new wires, distributor cap, rotor, filters, some fuel lines. We did everything you can possibly do to this car, and then some. We put all new shocks on it, went through the brakes, all new brake lines, did a lot of cool stuff to it. Top has been reconditioned, rebuilt by one of the top guys in the country. Just a very nice original. Ooh, almost got that bird, didn't I? But here we are, you know, it goes right up to 80 miles an hour pretty quickly. Tires are new, we had the wheels refinished, brakes are excellent, no squeaks, no rattles, and for a Targa it is extremely tight. Goes through a corner just beautifully, not making any noise, and just goes really good. So we go through these corners here, just hooks right up, just goes through here. Nice. Tires are a little green, and, but it goes nice. Feels really good, very tight. Just a fun little car. Can't beat the G50 gearbox. I mean, it really is the best Porsche has ever built. Just wonderful to drive. Feels really good. Beautiful positive shifting. That's why they've been using it for so long. But as you can see, just wonderful handling car. And I'm very proud of this. This car just came out really, really great, and feels wonderful. The new owner is going to just love it and really feel comfortable in it and enjoy it for many, many years to come. Won't have to do anything to it. We've done it all. You know, we kind of go through these cars, you know, more than most people ever would. Right up to red line, no problem. So we can get it to turn in really nice through here. Just does everything beautifully. Very, very nice car. I like this car a lot. We went through the air conditioning, just because it's summer now. And feels really good. I think whoever buys this is really going to have a good time. Let's give it another blast up through here. Right up to red line. Little tap of the brake. There's a big bump there. I promise you, this is probably the fastest this car has been driven in a very long time. We're not holding back here. All the way up the red line. Motor's starting to break in. I can feel it already. Very responsive. Just throwing it through these corners. It's just beautiful. Just really, really nice. I didn't do that to the curb. Somebody else did that. And the brakes are excellent as we stop for this nice, beautiful black truck. I'll get in front of it. Big truck. Temperature comes up, oil pressure is excellent. Dash is, the interior is like new in this car. Just absolutely wonderful. A little busy on a Friday afternoon here. Let's see what we can do. Goes pretty good. Goes through a corner just wonderfully. Fun little car. I like this.